Venkat sir. Good. Director Venkat sir and Principal Nagarjuna sir. And my class teacher name is Monica madam. My school name is Siguraritya School. Now I am going to explain about the season. Three types of season: summer, winter, rainy. Summer is the hottest season. It comes after winter season. Summer season begins in March and ends in June. In this season, days are long, night are short. We feel very hot and sweaty in summer. Winter is the coldest season. It comes after rainy season. It begins in November month. It ends in the February month. Days are long, short and night are this season. Rainy. This season days are long and short.